Hi Virgo, how are you? I hope you're fantastic. I'm well. I'm pulling on the energies for you today. First card out is the inverted wall. Walls are being torn down for you right now as we speak. The universe is really kicking into high gear. I can feel it. To bring in the support needed for the mission, the outside support. This is so, I get the perfect storm card. This is so you have the courage to step forth into your new mission, your new adventure, amidst the storm. Spirit's trying to make it easier for you. Then I get Spirit of the River. Movement toward adventure. Yeah. So yeah, you're moving towards a whole new adventure. And then I got Dream Thief, refusing the call. So somebody's showing up in the energy that is not quite doing what they should be, I guess. Anyways, I thought I would clarify with some tarot and see what the heck. Who the heck is this? Dream Thief. I feel like what this is saying, though, is they're being removed. The Dream Thief is being removed. So that you can answer your calling for God easier. They're trying to reduce the friction, is what I just heard. Okay, so we get Ace of Wands and Temperance. Yeah. The universe is taking major action to balance things out a little bit better for you, so that you can move a little more freely with less friction, less resistance. And then we get the Page of Wands card coming in here, which is a message, a fantastic message coming in. Yeah, Spirit has really I think their resistance that they have had to be able to assist has been reduced somehow. So Spirit's taking the initiative. And I mean, when I say Spirit, I mean the universe, whatever beings of the universe that are here to help unblock us from our mission. Could be Arcturians, I'm hearing. I should get out my alien cards. Wheel of Fortune. This is destiny, fate. This has been planned for a long time, and how this was going to go. Once you got a certain amount of strengthening from the resistance, then the reinforcements come in and just help drive things home. Oppression. It looks to me like some of this resistance in human form is possibly going to jail also. Let me get, so that might be helping to free up your energy a little bit. Water element. Reflection. I need glasses for these cards. Reflection, kindness, and compassion. They're bringing it home. You know what this triangle reminds me of? It's like the pyramid, right? And it's flipped upside down. It's like you getting your assistance from the sky. You're getting kindness and compassion to add to your repertoire of tools that you've gained. The Galactic Federation, collaboration meetings, community. This is what I'm talking about. So the Galactic Federation has been given the go-ahead to be able to come in and assist you in whatever way you need assistance. I've been seeing signs of this. Like real assistance. Real support for the starseed. The Galactic Federation is here to back up the starseed. Self, memories, identity. You are a part of the Galactic Federation. And you possibly have memories of this. Or maybe they're coming back to you. I have a feeling that part of this has to do with your dreams having been blocked by this person or people that were refusing the call to go to God, like it's the end of the world, flip and turn around, go to God. Those people that were trying to infiltrate your dreams. They were doing magic to try to give you nightmares that would make you think terrible things and ruin your future. So Spirit blocked your dreams. They blocked a good portion of your dreams. And I'm thinking, for some reason, it feels like your dreams are about to be unblocked so that you can communicate more efficiently. This is really cool. The Greys, utilitarian, organized, and intimidating. The tall Greys I'm hearing have been handled. They come in right underneath the oppression prison card. I don't really know much about them. I've heard stories about, like, they're responsible for, like, a lot of the abductions and stuff like that. In the genetic experiments they're doing or something. But it looks to me like they've been caught and suppressed in some way. Coffin. Their whole project has been stopped. Get the community card. Or garden, public, network, group, audience, fame, outdoors. So you're being set out in public. You're going to be given an audience, a network, and this is being prompted by the Galactic Federation. They're backing you up. They're the ones that are organizing this. Sudden harvest. The scythe. Bouquet, pleasantness, gifts, Charming, joy, happiness, flattery. So you're about to get a sudden onslaught of gifts, flattery, appreciation. Wow, this sounds good, Virgo. You know what? I was just thinking something in a house. You're about to be given a new house. Listen, I was just thinking about this tall grace thing because I don't know much about it. But I was looking at this picture and it looks like the picture on the Matrix. You know how they were stealing people's energy? And we know that people have been stealing our energy. Like the reptilians, I know for a fact are involved, but maybe the grays are too. Maybe they're involved in this suppression to keep Earth from evolving too. Somehow they're benefiting from our energy of fear, our fear energy that they harvest. Then right under that, I got harvest. They're harvesting energy. And they've been caught by the Galactic Federation. Oh my gosh. Okay. And they've been stopped. That's going to make a huge difference for our energy levels, is what I'm hearing. We're going to shoot through the roof. Wow. What's this about a house? Home, family, warmth, security, privacy, and comfort. The Galactic Federation, it sounds to me, is about to swoop you up and give you a comfortable lifestyle where you're protected, like really, I mean, you've been protected, but like where you're comforted, not just safe, just comfortable. Wow. It sounds to me like they've made some huge headway in the stars, you know, like what we don't see here. There's whole other realms involved, is what I'm hearing. And we've all been fighting for the same thing, for the light to win, for the light to expose the darkness, is what I just heard. So that's been the mission. And we've been doing our part, and this whole time they're working on a whole excuse me, they're working on a whole nother level. It's 9/19 today, and 9/19 has been a number in my life. I just see it over and over and over again. And I don't know if it's like because it's my birthday, I just notice it all the time, but I've been asking that question, is it because it's my birthday? And I got answered the other day. And I can't even remember how it was, but because I was talking to God, you know how it is. But what I was told is 9/19 is a portal. So today, we're entering through another portal. One where our energy is not being taxed. When I say our, I mean like the whole of the whole world is not being taxed by these grays. Maybe even the reptilians too, I wonder. So that means that they're going to be able to evolve that much faster and get out of this fear-based society that much faster. Mystery, reading between the lines, intuition. Romance, soulmates, empathy. Yeah, we're making sure that empathy is what's ruling our planet. We've come from Venus, from the Pleiades, places where love rules, peace rules. Laughter rules. And like I said, the Nephilim too. We've got Nephilim, Alpha Draconians. I really believe that they've all been suppressed. The ones that were stealing our energy. It wasn't just the Dracos, like, I don't know. I was thinking. And what was the other one I came up with the other day? I forget, but it's just a bunch of random alien races that have been profiting off of Earth's love energy, because they foster darkness in their cultures for so long that they don't have any energy. Darkness is nothing. So without light energy, they can't even function, let alone be profitable like they have been. So somehow, I still don't know how they do it, but somehow they use the fear of humans to generate the energy that they need. It's like the emotion. Why don't they use happy emotions? Because if they were concentrating on using happy emotions to feed off of, then you would evolve and ascend out of it, and they wouldn't be able to keep you captive anymore. And what I'm hearing basically is enough of us have ascended out of that fear-based society programming that the Galactic Federation, that is not incarnated here on Earth at this time, was able to assist more. Okay, we've weakened them by taking our power back. Wow, that's beautiful. So we took our power back, and just that portion of us that have managed to do that has weakened the counterforce and made it possible for the Galactic Federation to ascertain them, is what I'm hearing. So, something like that, y'all. Crazy stuff is going on in the stars. Look at our family. You got all these people or all these entities backing you. And they're able to back you more now than ever, because somehow we've managed to weaken these alien races that have been feeding off of our energy. And now that they are somehow suppressed, we're going to be doing a lot better as a whole. People are going to be able to start their healing process, is what I'm hearing. You're a writer. You've got a lot of trust and faith. And you've been through many karmic relationships. what's going on right now was written in the Bible. Like, you're prophesized in the Bible somewhere. I don't know where. I'm not a big Bible goer, but some of the stuff is really beautiful if you can find it. Forgiveness. Somehow you forgiving your karmic relationships is highly significant to this Bible prophecy. Turning the other cheek, that's the only thing I can think of in the Bible that goes like that. Jesus said to turn the other cheek. I used to always tell myself that growing up. It never felt good to me to see anyone hurting, so to me, revenge has always been off of the table anyway, but it was never really encouraged by people in my environment. I don't know about you, but didn't people, like, when somebody would wrong you, wouldn't people be like, hey, what are you doing? Like, you need to get them back. Like, you could do this or that. Like, you're weak, you're whatever, because you're not doing anything to seek revenge. And I just remember people making me feel bad about that quality in myself, which obviously is a quality. Like, how backwards is society? But I remember hearing that in church, that verse. I don't know exactly what it is. It's something Jesus said, I think, though. Turn the other cheek. And being like, yeah, see, Jesus gets me. So anyways, I think I'm going to, this is a beautiful reading, Virgo. Your animal oracle is coyote, playfulness. This is a reminder to not take things too seriously and bring more balance between wisdom and playfulness. You might need to lighten up about a matter that has been on your mind for a while. So Spirit wants you to play. Spirit's always asking Virgo to play. The Jaguar, growth. Maturity is the ability to embrace change. And change cannot happen without death. The death does not necessarily mean physical death, but could be the ending of a relationship, a situation, or simply your decision to not continue with the same old habits. These reptilians that were running their energy source through you, through all of us, they've known about you since you were a baby. They've been trying to take you out since you were a baby. I don't know why I'm being told to tell you this, but I have brown in one of my eyes. Somebody once told me that, because it wasn't that way when I was born. I don't know, my mom couldn't really tell me when it turned, but it was when I was a baby. But I have this brown spot, and somebody once told me that a demon tried to attack me through my eye, and it left that mark that they were trying to take me out. This whole thing about them trying to take out a baby just reminded me of that. All right, Virgos, I'm going to get back to you very soon. I love you all. Have a beautiful day. Thank you.